Everyone, today I'd like to show you how to use this really cool tool I found called Making Molecules. And so this will help us build our Lewis dot structures using this kind of like a virtual builder. So you're going to click on Molecular Builder. Here are the instructions. On the left, we have a list of molecules which you'll be building. We're going to click and drag one electron to another to create bonds. Okay, kind of like what we've been doing, connecting the dots. You can check your answer and you can also reset your molecule. So let's try this out. So let's say I want to build, we'll start with ammonia. So they give me the atoms for ammonia, right? So here I'm just connecting the single red dots together to form bonds. Once I've connected all three of my hydrogens here, that looks pretty good. I'm going to check my answer. And it'll show me the correct Lewis structure and tell you congratulations if you've done it correctly. Okay, so you'll be building a couple from this list over here. Pay attention to the names, and you'll be building a few from here. After that, you're going to click on Free Experiment, where you can actually select atoms yourself and build it yourself. So one of the atoms that you're building will be BCl3. So boron is here. So we're going to click on that once. That'll bring up boron. And we need 3 chlorine. So 1, 2, 3. And just like before, you're going to connect the dots. And make sure you draw a model of this on your own worksheet. Don't just take a screenshot or whatever. But you can check your answers. There's still unbonded electrons here because I didn't build it. And yeah, so you'll complete the second section using this free experiment mode. And then in the last section, you're building ionic compounds. So here, we're really just focusing on canceling out the charges, right? And so with ionic compounds, for example, with salt is NaCl. Notice how they both have one little battery charge here. So when we connect these two batteries together, these two charges, right, they're now equal. And if we check our answers, it'll tell us all the charges have been balanced. So that's great. If I had something like, we'll say silver, which is a +1 charge, and oxygen, which is a -2 charge, notice if I connect just one silver, the oxygen's not quite happy, right? It still has one more spot that needs to be filled. So if I check my answer, it says they're still unbalanced charges. So one way I can help it out is to add another silver. And I think you know where that would go. Okay, so try alternating these positive and negative charges and figure out those 3 ionic compounds on your worksheet. Okay, and that's how you use this tool, the Molecule Builder, for today's activity.